This is what we're dealing with right now, y'all. Hail. A hailstorm. Oh shit. Please God, don't let. Look at this. We got tornado warnings, thunderstorm warnings and everything. Alright, later. Hey y'all, I'm doing this quick video. We are under a tornado warning here in my area. We have gotten hail coming. And this is terrible, and I'm trying to get up with family members. Because I got my brother's supposed to be taking my mom to his daughter. And it don't look like it's hail happening. You can see the pure hail coming. I mean, it's just pounding and everything. And they're talking about tornado warnings and all that. We got a hailstorm coming. I don't know if you can see it, y'all. Can't already see it. But that is all the hail that's coming. You can probably hear it. I'm inside this house, though. They're talking about, we got tornado warnings and all that. So TV, I don't know if you can barely see it. But yeah, talk to you later.